y'all. So this is, I don't know, day 3, day 4, I don't know. But today, well, last night we stayed at Pine RV Park and Campground, and this was our site, which was pretty nice. Last night they offered up free pizza and they had a movie night for the kids in the campground. So that was nice. And today we are heading to GeorgiaTraverse and working our way over to the Toccoa Sandy Bottom Campground. So, and then we got old Ken back there serenading us. He's happy. He just went, he made a poopy, so he's happy. So that's our plans. And then I guess tomorrow we're gonna work our way in the Blue Ridge, hit the Bigfoot Museum, and then boot scoot and boogie down to Clayton for the distillery. See, he's happy. Up, he's got a monster.
Temperature is nice. Oh wow, look at this place, holy shit.
All right, good morning. So we made it to the GeorgiaTraverse, and we are going from Dillard over to Toccoa Falls. So that's what we're on.
Oh, dude, that's for spanners, man.
Come on.
Just follow him.
Right there, yep. All right, all the way through.
Yeah. Thanks, guys.
It feels like crap, but
Yeah.
Hey y'all, so last night on the trail, we're camping here at Toccoa River Sandy Bottom campsite. So it's a pretty cool spot. Do you see him?
I'm trying to help you with the ring light.
Oh my goodness. Oh, okay.
Having a ring light.
Hey, look at that. Thanks, Ken. Man, he's helped out so much. So let me turn around. I'll show you the rest of our site.
The hills are alive.
All right, so there's my tent. Doc Martin's tent with his old-timey light. And as we come around, there's Ken's tent way over there.
In the ghetto.
With his Devos. There's our campfire and our dinner table. Over there, you can barely make it out, but there's the taillights. That's our vehicles parked on the other side of the road. And just past our trucks is the beautiful river. So this is a Forest Service campsite, which you have to reserve and pay. So I think it's like $20-something for the night.
Fees, 24 smackaroos.
What was that, Doc?
With fees, $24.
With fees, yep. And I mean, you could get a couple more tents in here, but
up to 5 people in here, yeah.
okay, so up to 5 people. So you want to recap how the day went, what we've done? Sorry, bro.
Can't see anything, but God. Okay, so we, due to circumstances the other day with a broken part, we changed. Instead of going North Carolina Adventure Trail to Blairsville, dropping down and hitting Bigfoot that way, we dropped down and did Georgia Traverse today. We started in Dillard and came all the way to Toccoa, which we're about 20 minutes out of Blue Ridge. So we did about 140 miles today. It was a good day. We even did some of John Berkmeyer's top secret trails. Everything went fine. It was a good day, but we put in some miles. We did about 140 miles today.
Yeah. And then tomorrow morning, we're going to get up, break camp, boot scoot boogie into Blue Ridge.
Blue Ridge. Get his truck on the alignment rack. We'll go eat breakfast. Bigfoot Museum at 10 a.m. And then when that's all done, we'll back over towards Clayton.
Well, grab my truck.
Oh, grab your truck.
Yeah.
Head to Clayton. Sample some whiskeys.
Yep. Go to
Get checked
Moonrise Distillery.
Yeah. And we'll get to go to a hotel tomorrow.
Yep.
Clean up and then go to the Italian joint.
Hey Crusaders, I hope you enjoyed part 4 of Trifecta Tri-State Trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. And, as always, God bless, and I hope to see each and every one of you on your own adventure.